friends! So today we are gonna make grapes from clay. 6 pieces. Toolkit. Okay, now let's see what's there in the packet. We have a rolling pin. We have a jigsaw cutter. And then we have a plain cutter. And a small knife. And a big knife and a nice red color roller. These are the different colored clays here, and these are the instruments that we're gonna use to make the grapes. So we're gonna take this purple colored clay and this green colored clay. We'll make the grapes first and then the leaves. So we cut the roll of the clay like this into small circular chunks. Make as many chunks as you want. Those will be the number of grapes we have. So it's totally up to you. Make sure the chunks of the clay is equally cut. There you go. And the last one, right here. Well, we have these purple chunks of clay. So with each chunk, we make 2 to 3 grapes. We start rolling the clay in our palms like this. And make round balls. They're slightly oval in shape as the actual grapes are. Don't they look beautiful? Make as many as you want. It's up to you. It's so much fun just rolling the grapes like this. You can roll the chunks in your palms or on the tabletop like this. These are delicious looking grapes, aren't they? Now it's important that when you roll the grapes, make sure the shape looks like a grape. It's not really round, it's slightly oval shaped. And these are really easy to make. Once you get the hang of it, you can make as many grapes as you want. It'll be better if we take care of the size of the grape so we can take the chunk and divide it equally, so that the grapes are more or less of equal size. We're almost done here, just the last one. So now we're gonna take grapes one by one. And we're gonna poke some holes into all of them so that they stick together for longer. We're gonna poke this one and stick on the holes like this. So every time we attach two grapes, make sure you poke both of them to make them stick for longer. Like this. Well, actually, you can poke randomly like this and stick the grapes to make a bunch. It doesn't have to be a regular bunch. Like we just stuck one grape to three grapes together. Poke some holes. And we keep sticking the grapes one on top of the others. We go in a circular way so that the whole bunch is full from all the sides. So that we have a full bunch from all the sides. You see what we're doing here? We'll stick all the grapes like this in a bunch. And now we'll take the green color clay and roll it like this on the tabletop and put it in a space between the bunch. If there's no space, use a pencil to make a little bit of a space for it. Now the stem is thinner for the hole that we made out of the pencil. So we're gonna take a little more of the green clay so that the stem is thicker. We roll it on the tabletop now. Like this. And then we take this stem, stick it inside the space that we made. And the other part, we roll it some more, like this. And then take another piece and stick it right here with the first one, like this. And then we take the grapes and cover the joint of the stem like this. Now we poke some holes on the stem and stick a grape to that and the other grape to the other part, like this. So that's a beautiful bunch of grapes. Now we're gonna take the light green colored clay to make leaves. This is interesting. We'll roll it with a roller, spread it out, and cut in the shape of leaves like this. Then we take the jigsaw cutter and make the shape of the leaf like this. The jigsaw cutter gives it a beautiful pattern. We make the marks of the leaves with the help of a cutter and stick the leaf on the top like this. If you want to have more leaves, then you can cut out and make more leaves too. Just roll it with a roller. Cut the edges with the zigzag cutter. Take out the extra clay. Make the marks with the help of a cutter. And stick it on the other side like this. This looks so perfect. Now you can give some final touches to the leaf as you like it. So here are the grapes! Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.